Good morning everyone. I am Rahi Patel from grade 1A. Today I am presenting my neighborhood topic. House. We live in our house. We must have safe, clean and a friendly neighborhood. Garden. We go to play in the garden. There are many swings and slides there. It gave us refreshment. School. A school is a place where we go to learn to read and write. We play and make friends there too. Vegetable shop. Vegetable provide us minerals and vitamin. The shop provide us a fresh organic vegetable and fruit. Hospital. There are times where we fall sick. At such times we go to in a hospital. Bakery. I love biscuits and the bakery is best source for us. We get fresh bread and other things from here. Amul parlor. We get dairy products from here. We are going there for ice cream. It provides us fresh milk and other products daily. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.